Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a bookmark. By the way, if you try to find, you can see a lot of bookmark on Google, but I thought let's do a video on it because there are so many watercolor paintings bookmark you can see. So I thought let's make one bookmark, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So let's make it, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel if you love to watch art videos. So let's start it. At first, grab your brush, my water palette, you can use any kind of color that you like. Here I am using this Viridian hook green color. You can use any kind of color that you like. We're making a bookmark, so keep that on your mind. Don't make it don't spend a lot of color on the whole page. You can cut it after drawing it, so you can use any kind of design that you like. Don't worry about that. It's done. Now we are gonna dry it. We are done with drying. Now we are gonna cut it. Let's take a scissor first, then cut it. I'm making a bookmark. Is done. Now we are gonna make a design, a doodle. Just make something like flower, petals, then leaves. You can draw anything that you like. Here I'm gonna draw some leaves.
Harry Potter there English lagi ya? Aku write segini ya.
Just draw some branches of leaves.
Harry Potter is drawn.
Is done. I'm grabbing a golden gel pen for designing. Like this you can do the design. You can do any kind of design that you like. It's done. Now we are going to cut the edges. If you want, you can leave it like this, but I wanted to cut it. It's done. Now grab a ribbon like this and measure it how long you want. I want this long, maybe. At first we need to cut a circle. If you have punch machine, you can do it with it, but I don't have it, so I'm making it like this. Done. Done. Our bookmark is done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. If you love to watch art videos, then you can subscribe my channel to watch more art videos. So let's meet you in my next video. Bye. And yes, you can keep it in your book like this. Just keep it, and here is the ribbon. You can find it where is your page, like this. So you can find your page. That's it. It's done. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.